Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your John Hancock mutual funds account. To do so, just follow some step by steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your mutual funds account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for John Hancock mutual funds login and hit on enter. After doing so, many links will pop up on your screen. Click on the link that says Login by John Hancock Investment Management. And now this will take you to different pages, where now you need to select the type of role you want to continue into. That is, either choose one of these 4 roles given on your screen. After doing so, click on it, and then you'll be taken into a different page, from where you can choose the type of account you want to log in into. You just need to scroll down and select the type of account you want to log in into. There's a login button. You can just hover over your mouse and then tap on it. And now this will take you to a different page, where now you need to input your personal details to log into your account. Here you can see that it has loaded up on my screen, and now you need to input your username and your password to continue to your account. But in case you forgot your username or even your password, you can reset and retrieve them by using these buttons, forgot username and forgot password, right here. Now after inputting your personal details, just tap on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your mutual funds account. This was for this video, and that's how you can sign in into your John Hancock mutual funds account. I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.